So welcome students. In this question you are asked to find dy by dx if x power m y power n is equal to x plus y whole power m plus n. So how do we do this? So first, to find dy by dx, this is an implicit function which carries powers. So what I can first do is I can apply log to the whole thing. So log of x power m into y power n, log of x power m times y power n is equal to log of x plus y power m plus n. This implies, so log of ab is log a plus log b. Log of x power m plus log of y power n is equal to log a to the power m is m log a, the power comes out. That is m plus n times log of x plus y. So this implies m log x plus n log y is equal to m plus n times log of x plus y. M plus n times log of x plus y. Now let us differentiate this. So if you differentiate this, you get m by x, right? The differentiation of log x is 1 by x plus n by y dy by dx is equal to m plus n by x plus y times 1 plus dy by dx. So now let us combine the terms containing dy by dx. So dy by dx times n by y minus of m plus n by x plus y is equal to m plus n by x plus y minus m by x. So this implies if you take dy by dx times, so just let us take LCM, nx plus ny minus my minus ny by y times x plus y is equal to, so again we take the LCM here, mx plus nx minus mx minus my by x times x plus y. So as you can see, this x plus y and x plus y terms gets cancelled, and in these four terms plus ny and minus ny gets cancelled, and in these four terms plus mx and minus mx gets cancelled. So this implies dy by dx times, so as you can see, nx minus my by y is equal to, so here you have nx minus my again, nx minus my by x. So this nx minus my, nx and minus my also gets cancelled. This implies dy by dx is equal to y by x. So option D is the right answer to this question. Thank you.